In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix a broken shade on our Tiffin motorhome. It's time
for another Sunday solution. Let's go. So we were on our way to Graton Beach, and I'm just driving along, out of my own business, and all of a sudden, out of the blue, the shade just wham drops down, about landed in my lap.
Yeah, and so we had to make an emergency stage left exit, I guess is what you would say. We used the left turning lane. You had to pull over. Yeah, we found a left turning lane and pulled over and took the shade down for the rest of the trip. Put a Band-Aid on it.
Yeah, we took it down so it wouldn't fall in my lap while I was driving.
Whoa!
What the heck was that?
I don't know. It's like the blind fell. So I'm going to show you what broke and how to fix it here. There's two brackets up here. And to get the shade off, you got to squeeze these little things. I'll show you better on the other one, on the new one, but this one here is the one that broke, which caused it to drop. To release the shade, to get it down, there's a little clip right here that you push back on, and that'll drop the shade. And what has happened is that clip's broken off on mine, on this one. I know it's hard to see with the lighting, it's dark up in there, but that clip is gone. So I'm gonna have to replace the clips. So I went ahead and ordered the new brackets. I got 6 of them because they're only like, I don't know, 40 cents a piece, something ridiculous. Let me take one out so you can see what they look like. Okay, that's the new one. There's 2 number 2 Torx heads that hold these. And then this is the spring clip. So basically you put the shade in that end, and then when you push it up in, it'll clip in, boom, and it'll lock. Go back over and lock. So that's the clip. You're gonna need your number 2 Torx bit and your cordless drill. And we'll get her changed. Take out the 2 screws. Okay. Caught in the fabric. Gently pull that off. And there we go. So this is the part right here that's broken. A little plastic piece broke off and fell down. So let's get the new one and install it. There's the difference. Okay. Hopefully they don't strip out like everything else does on the Tiffins, but we'll give it a whirl. It feels like it's in some pretty solid wood, so it might be all right. You'd be surprised how heavy that shade is too. I was. The fan ain't making my life easy either. And of course, stripped out. Nope, that's not good. All right, here we go. So, in typical Tiffin fashion, or all motorhomes to be correct, I guess. You can never go back in the same 2 holes. So I had to get it to bite, because it is carrying quite a bit of weight. I had to move it over and get fresh wood. So I don't know what they use in these, if it's underneath this upholstery, if it's particle board or cardboard or who knows what. I thought Tiffin built them with pretty solid wood, but this is a common issue with them. It's not a big deal because the shade covers that, so it won't be an issue. So let me get the shade hung back up and we'll show you what that looks like. So you just set the back in, I believe, up in here, and then click it like that. And you can slide it wherever you need it to be for the window. So there you go. Okay. You have your shades back working again. All right, so there you go. We're back in action. It only took a couple days to get the parts shipped to the campground here where we're at. And like I say, the hardest part of the whole job is getting new screw holes. So we always carry extra screws with us. So if you ever get over to Red Bay, Alabama at Tiffin, grab some extra screws.
So we're introducing you to a new series, what we call the Sunday Solution, where we drop the video on Sunday of repairs that we've made to the coach or RV while we're on the road traveling. We hope you enjoy this series. Make sure that you give us a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. Drop us a comment below. And we'll see you on Sundays, along with our regular videos that we drop on Thursdays.
All right. We hope you enjoyed this Sunday solution, and we hope it helps you out if you ever have that issue. It's an easy fix. And like we always say, if you're going to live full-time on the road, you got to either be rich or know how to fix things.
And we are not rich.
Yeah, there's always something breaking. Every week I have a list. So
make sure you check out Randy's Do-It-Yourself section playlist that we have out on our channel. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments.
And we'll see you in the next video.